may have gone a little bit further on Sisters and Seekers. Do you know what? I actually have no guilt, like literally zero shame, because I already know this is going to be worth every single penny. I love Sisters and Seekers. Girls, I feel like you're going to know what I'm talking about when I say this. I order from them and I just know everything's going to be good. They're trusty, the quality is always amazing. So spending this grand, it's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. I thought rather than doing like a proper styling clothing video, we're just going to do this raw. We're going to open it together. We're going to try it on together. Just chill FaceTime vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like this has been chilling in this room for way too long. I'm dying to open it, but I've been waiting for you guys. Do you know what's actually hilarious? They have like cling filmed this together. Can you see? This is so fucking heavy. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Let's do this. Look at the scissors that I'm opening up this box with. Okay, box number 1, box number 2. By the way, I do actually have a Sisters and Seekers discount code. I used it for this, just in case any of you want to save some coins as well, because I ended up saving like 100 quid or something. It was nuts. I think it's Jordan 10 or Jordan L10, something like that. Maybe I'll write it on screen, I'll put it below, but I know there's a mix of stuff in here. There's like co-ords and hoodies and tracksuits and stuff. So I'm thinking we empty it all out so then we know what's paired together and stuff. I wonder if the person who packed this had a good time. They definitely hate me. Look at that, another box that is full to the brim. I think this has to be the first thing I try on because I think this is part of the newest collection that they've launched. This is a cool little tracksuit 2-piece. It's called the Gummy Stripe Sweatshirt and the Gummy Stripe Wide Leg Sweatpants. These are the regular length. By the way, Sisters and Seekers now do petite, regular and tall. And I think everything goes from like a extra small to maybe like a 2XL or 3XL. The sizing is really, really good. By the way, I'll put sizes and stuff down below just in case I forget to mention. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10. The sizing is literally perfect. I got the joggers in a small and they fit so well. They're a really good length too. They come like, you can see like just below my heel, which is perfect by the time I put a trainer on. Perfect. There is drawstrings as well, by the way, in case you wanted to adjust the waist, which I like because then if you choose to size up, say you wanted a bit more of an oversized fit, you're able to do that, but you still keep shape, which is really nice. And this sweatshirt is literally the most perfect shape and size. And this is why I love Sisters and Seekers, because everything is styled to fit. When they do oversized, they do it so perfectly. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not just like drowning you, they're shaped to where I typically get a medium or a small in Sisters and Seekers hoodies and sweatshirts, and I'm so glad I got a medium with this. I think it looks so cool. How cute would this be with like a pink cap, some pink trainers? Oh my God. To try on next, I thought we'd do another tracksuit. Again, this is one of their newer pieces. I'm so happy I caught the restock of this because I think this sold out so fast. It's their jam tracksuit. Whoever thinks of the names of Sisters and Seekers, pay rise please, because that's so cute. It's called the Seekers Classic Washed Hoodie in Jam. I got this in a small. This is regular. Guys, it's not just trousers. They even do like shorter lengths for the hoodies and stuff. Seekers Washed Wide Leg Sweatpants in Jam. Again, regular. I got these in a small too. Pretty sure I was going to get the hoodie in a medium, but it was out of stock, which is fine. The small should still be good. I'm so excited. Here she is. This is the Jam tracksuit. I love this. Don't really get the logistics on how they can make a tracksuit just look so good. This one is definitely a little bit more fitted, it feels like. Like I feel like this neckline comes up a bit higher. The hood doesn't feel so like big. It's more of like a fitted hood. Also, I didn't realise the colour of this is more of like a washed red. I don't know if it's showing on camera. For example, if I compared it to these heels here, I don't know if you can tell. I think that looks really cool though, because it's kind of giving like a cool girl. Got the Seekers jeans stitched into it as well. I love how it's all like monochromatic. I always feel like that looks just really expensive. I live in tracksuits and I feel like with the Sisters and Seekers tracksuit you can just leave the house and just feel presentable at all times. This kind of looks banging with my red lip. Okay, this I'm so excited about. This was a little bit more spenny. I have a feeling this is going to be worth every single penny because the detail on this. This is the Gig Tapestry jumper. I got it in a small. It's like a thin knit. I did think it was going to be a bit thicker, but then I'm also not mad at that. If it sits right, that's fine. By the looks of it, I think a small's going to be perfect because it looks like it's naturally a bit more oversized. I feel like with some of these outfits, you're going to have to just ignore the red lip because I feel like it's killing the vibe. It's doing the most, but this is the jumper. This is so cool. This is like so unique. I did just tuck a little bit in because it does actually come down quite long, but the good thing about it is it kind of has this like triangular shape a little bit, so I feel like you could wear it out and it doesn't look crazy. You know, sometimes you can get something and you think I actually have to tuck this in or pull it up somewhere because otherwise it's just gonna look nuts. Do you know what I love as well? This is a jewelry friendly jumper because it's high neck. My necklaces aren't gonna get caught up. Like I can wear like stacks, which I think would look sick with this. Okay, let's do this because I actually have the leggings on. I just quickly chuck these on. So I already own 2 of these colours of this from Sisters and Seekers. Obviously needed this colour because, guys, these are staples. If you're looking for like Skims-esque type things like leggings and tops, you actually need these in your life. The ones I have though are actually long sleeve. This one's short sleeve, but this is the active top in moth. It's in an extra small, and these are the active leggings in moth. Again, these are in an extra small, and they do have like quite a bit of stretch. And this is why I love these sets so much. They literally like you in. Listen, I love wearing these day to day, but I feel like they'd make a really good gym set as well because they've got that kind of like feel to them. Guys, they're literally buttery soft, and the fit is just 11 out of 10. Love the little bit of Sisters and Seekers branding on both the pieces. How nice is this colourway? It's almost like, it's kind of like a grey nude. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's so nice because it's not see-through, really comfortable. It's one of those ones where I don't have to wear a bra because it just sucks everything in. The leggings are a perfect length. Don't look at my toes. I just love them so much, and they wash really well too. Right, let's try on a couple of hoodies because I can just chuck them on over the top of this. So, oh yeah, this I've wanted for so long. They do the best hoodies. The hood's chunky. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, this is what this one looks like. This is the Seekers jeans hoodie in Foggy, and I got this in a medium. I didn't have to get the small or the medium, and then I thought, wait, this feels like a jeans or a leggings hoodie for me, so I kind of want it to be a bit more like chunky and oversized. This is cool. I always give the corner a little tuck. Yeah, this is how I like my hoodies to fit. I like them to almost have this like little like mushroom top feel. See what I mean by chunky? Like they're thick, they're almost like a bit puffy. This colour is well nice as well. Again, it's like a kind of like a khaki nude. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but yeah, this one is sick. Oh, the red lip, it's really killing the vibe. I should just put on a nude lip. It's because I've been filming other shit. I just haven't taken it off, but perfect. This is the hood, by the way. They feel a bit smaller than I remember, or maybe it's just because I've got more hair. These hoodies with like this furry writing on and with like the graphic writing that Sisters and Seekers do, I feel like we all go crazy for them. They always sell out. When that back in stock hits, you need to be quick because we'll scratch at each other for it. Another hoodie. I love how zero shame. Yeah, oh my god, this is the knit one though. Wow, this is thick. This is what I thought the material of that tapestry one would be. It's like a thick, heavy knit. What's this called? This is the Seekers knit hoodie in husk, and I got this in a small. I really wanted some big chunky knits for like autumn winter, and I think if I remember right, the Sisters and Seekers knits, they come up a bit more oversized because they're heavy. They kind of hang a little bit more. I think you actually have to be careful with how you wash and store these. Perfect. Guys, my hair, I'm getting hot. Do you guys ever try on clothes and just want to cut off your hair? Because so. Anyway, let's talk about how cool this is. Don't know if it goes with the leggings really, but this isn't a styling video, Jords. This is a try on. This might be my favourite thing yet. This is so nice. I love how the hood sits. Can you see it's like a bit more structured? The knit stuff from Sisters and Seekers, it's up there. It is up there. It slaps. I've got like a brown, here you go. This one. I wear all the time. They also have this in loads of other colours now, so great. Looks like I need to spend more money. This is going to be my winter knit. I can feel it in my bones. Did someone say another tracksuit? You know when you see something on a website and you're like, I need that right now, because it had yellow on it. I've been obsessed with yellow. Pops of yellow more than anything, like with my bags, my shoes, or like on a jumper, on a top or whatever. So these are joggers. These are the Classic Sport wide leg sweatpants. I got them in a regular, and these are small. I think all the bottoms I got in a small actually. And then this is a matching hoodie, Seekers Classic Sport hoodie, regular, and I got this in a medium. By the way, if you're wondering why I went a bit like tracksuit mad, it's because obviously we're coming up to autumn winter. I had a clear out in here like 3-4 weeks ago, something like that. Very much needed. And I just got rid of so much old stuff, and I left a bit of room for me to update my wardrobe now that we're coming into the new season. So anyway, how cool is this? With the yellow stripes, even sports girl. I've only got the joggers on so far. I really love this. Literally nothing is going to be sent back. Shut the fuck up. I can put my hat. I have been waiting for an outfit that I could pair this hat with. I wanted something with like yellow on to match the hat. Besties, I've got it with this tracksuit. This is literally like cool sports girl. Sorry, I feel like I keep saying like the same words, like the same descriptive words. I need to get a new vocab. Anyway, look at it. Speaking of yellow, I also managed to get my hands on this t-shirt. Love me a good Sisters and Seekers t-shirt. This one is adorable. Got with a little bow. You're joking. This is the hysterical oversized tee. I got this in a medium. This would look cool underneath this, wouldn't it? Like hanging out. Yeah, big dubs. Big W. This is exactly what I wanted this to be. And I love the fit of a Sisters and Seekers tee. They've got more of like a drop shoulder, has that more slouchy, chill, cozy kind of feel to it. Really good length. It doesn't look like it's drowning me. This is really cutesy, really demure. I feel like I'd love this with jeans. I love like this lemon colour with denim. I know that kind of screams more summer, but I just love that colour combo. Tuck a little bit if you wanted to. You could go for like the full tuck. I love doing this, like the full tuck with like little skirts. The details are so cute. And you could tell that it's a thicker t-shirt from the way the shoulders sit. You know that type of material that just hangs? That's so annoying. Just hangs on you. No thanks. I kind of want to try this with some jeans, you know? Okay, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. See what I mean about the colour combo? Oh, it just looks so good. Okay, let's do these two pieces together because these are the same, right? Just different colours. I'm pretty sure these are. Again, these are hoodies that I've wanted for ages. This is the Staten logo hoodie. I got it in a medium, so it's that one with that really cool graphic writing on the front. Oh yeah, look. It's got this on the back too. That's sick. This one is the same, but this is the one in the shade Wolf. Again, this is in a medium. I couldn't decide between the two colours. I always like to have a light and a dark. You guys know this. I'm trying to decide which one I prefer. Maybe this one? Clearly I didn't know, because here we are. Boy, oh boy, am I glad I pick up the mediums. I know some people are probably looking at this feeling like it's too big. I love my hoodies to fit like this. It sounds kind of stupid, but I love being able to like do this. Do you know what I mean? And like feeling like I've got room. I can see this with a grey pair of jeans. I feel like that would look really, really nice. They're just so cozy. I am addicted. I'm actually addicted, guys. There's worse things to be addicted to. I love the fact you've got that little accent. Look at the hood as well. Look how structured it is. Right, let's try on the black. And you guys can tell me which one you like more. I mean, not that I care because I'm keeping both. I've got problems. Hi, my name's Jordan and I'm addicted to Sisters and Seekers. Specifically the hoodies. Oh, God. Okay, what we saying? What we saying? This is so funny. I literally have an email from Sisters and Seekers that I just got now. Look, asking me what I think. I think that you are thieves because you take my money. No, I'm kidding. I love you so much. On a scale of too hot to handle and too hot to handle, where does this sit? Oh, I've got a little friend. There is something about having like a fresh black hoodie day to day, this with like leggings and like big chunky socks, a cap. Time for another t-shirt. I am a sucker for the whole like jersey football kind of style. When I say football, this one's actually more like, what am I talking about? It's called the mucky football tee. I got this in a medium. Nice. It's even got like the material of a football top. That's what gives it that more like authentic kind of feel. You know, that like aerated texture of a football tee. I love the colourways of this as well. How cool would that look with something like brown on the bottom or like something neutral? I'm just going to chuck on with these jeans because I've got them on, but what do you think, baby boy? Do you like it? Huge fan. I'm a huge fan. These t-shirts have no right to make me feel as cool as they do. If you guys have ever worn like a football style t-shirt, you'll know how comfortable they are because they're so like thin and airy. They're really nice to wear, like really comfortable. I love the design of this one too. I kind of love the idea of this tucked. Let's try this cutie on. This is the only like tight bit of clothing. Actually, no, I had the gym set, didn't I? Oh, okay, thick rib. That's stretchy, right? Yeah, I just know this is going to feel like an absolute glove. I can just tell. This is the pretzel baby tee in extra small. Look at this, guys. It says I love New York, but well, it says I pretzel New York technically, but how adorable. Oh my God. Baby tees are that one item in my wardrobe I'll never ever get bored of. This one is no exception. Look how nice this is. And the quality, like this text here, let me come closer, see if you can see. Got makeup on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's like that popped up foam. And look at the fit. Literally fits like a glove. It's like sucked in comfortably though. It's not like cutting in or anything. This is literally one of my favourite things in this entire video. I think it's because I know how much I'm going to wear this. So that just makes me happy. Right, what's next? Oh, this is that jumper that almost looks like vintagey. Yes. This almost has, and I mean this in the best way, a charity shop. Like I found a steal in a vintage charity shop. That's what I get from this. Again, it's that like washed type of look. This Seekers jeans is stitched in, but it's all just like washed. I don't know what makes this one different from the rest, but this gives me, I've just gone and got my boyfriend's jumper and chucked it on. Imagine this, right? With a khaki cap, and then imagine if I put on some camo jeans. I won't actually put them on, but I just want to show you what I mean. See the vibe? And I think it's because there's like, what do you call it? Like a print in this Seekers writing, and it kind of almost looks a bit like tree, a bit branchy. Yeah, this is a cool fit. I had a vision and it come to life. Guys, I've got two more things here to try on with the jeans, and then I'll finish off with the tracksuit. So this is, oh, I just broke the little, holy shit, that feels even thicker than the other t-shirts. Feels like a slightly different material. Eurostar oversized tee. I got it in a medium. Oh, this is gonna look really nice with the jeans, isn't it? By the way, sorry if the lighting's changed. It's literally dark outside now. I don't want to talk about it. And we have another win, ladies and gents. Guys, at this point, I don't really know what else to say because everything fucking slaps. But this one specifically is so nice. And I love the yellow on this. I think it's plain on the back, right? I'm not normally the biggest fan either of like a, sorry, I've got a t-shirt underneath. I'm trying to show you it properly, but I'm not normally the biggest fan of a v-neck, but they do it so subtly. This might sound weird, but I would even wear this, you know, when you've got a more like chill night out and you could wear this with like some really cool like trousers or like with a little mini skirt, tuck it up. I love that kind of look though. I love pairing like casual with something more dressy. It doesn't look too try hard. Like I'd wear that. This t-shirt as well. Last singular hoodie, and then we've got a tracksuit, and then we're done. I did go a bit crazy, didn't I, with these like text hoodie. This is the Seekers hoodie in Swiss. This is a regular, and I got this in a medium. This one's nice though. It's like a cream, like an off-white. Do I really need to try this on? I don't think I do, but I will. Another win. Another W. Perfect. Literally perfect. This one actually has the same fit as, you know, the hoodie that I have in black and grey, like the same style. This has the same fit as that for reference, just in case you're wondering. And again, this is a medium. Call me boring, but stuff like this excites me. I love a basic chunky hoodie like this because I know how much I wear them. I love such a hoodie whore, aren't I? About 50 million in this video, so I better like them. Last but by no means least, the pink tracksuit. Pretty sure this sold out so fast the first time round. You've got to be patient sometimes with Sisters and Seekers, I'm not gonna lie, because everybody wants them. I get it, I get the hype, I'm there with you. Look at it, this is the most perfect pink shade. This shade of pink is my favorite, that like baby pink. This is called the Seekers hoodie in bunny, regular size medium. And obviously I had to get the matching joggers. These are the trademark wide leg sweatpants in bunny, regular size small. No, this is adorable. Oh, I really wish I picked up the tight top, like the active top in bunny, because then I could have worn that as like a layering piece underneath with the hood. Sometimes I wish I think sooner. This is the easiest yes. First of all, this is my favourite colour, so you've already won me already. The fit. Oops, that is a giant label in my ass, by the way. Love the hoodie because it's got these like white stitching details over it. The joggers are again perfect, such a good length. There are drawstrings as well, so you can adjust if you want to. This is a little baby pink dream. I now need to go get that little top. I could probably do with the leggings as well, couldn't I? I actually think these would look cool with the pink, like this sort of like tan shade. Let me test it actually with a yeah, see, look, with a trainer, can you see that? They're literally perfect. So cute. Oh my god, imagine with a headband, like a chunky like baby pink or white headband. I'm excited. Guys, that's officially everything. That is everything in my Sisters and Seekers haul, my huge Sisters and Seekers haul. Sometimes you just need to treat yourself because we deserve it. You deserve it. Let me know if you like this kind of way, by the way, like doing it just like more chill and trying on together. I will do some styling stuff over on my TikTok. So if you want to see like full on outfits and stuff with this, it'll be over there. I'll leave my TikTok and stuff below. I love you. Happy shopping.